So folks, how do you blend two images in Midjourney? So folks, if you remember that blending images, 2 images, 5 images, whatever it is really important part of Midjourney. Let me download this image, copy text, download image, DM results. Okay, let's DM results. Okay, so now my results are ready. And what I'll do is that I will download this. Where is the download button for this? Save image, and it'll save my image. There you go. So it has saved my image, folks. So I've got an image. I'll pick up one more image. Let me see. Let's see. Pick this one. Okay. Let's do it. No. Don't copy the link. Open this link. Save image and save it. So folks, I've saved one more image. So folks, now we have got 2 random images. One of Cybertruck, the other of a beautiful nature image. The bluish background of landscape is beautiful. That was the prompt. Now how do we blend it? Go to / not imagine, but / blend. Why is it important? Because when you put / blend, it would blend images. Give it up to 5 images, it'll do it effortlessly. Okay, I've given one. I'll give another one. And just to make things a little more difficult, just to make things a little more complicated, I'll give it another one. And this will be completely out of the blue, like out of the box, literally. Let's see if we can get one. Okay, what is that? If I can get a human being, it would be better. Let's see. Yeah, here we go, folks. So these are the 3 images. Okay. Now, what are we going to do now? Really easy. Just put the dimensions. What dimensions do we need? Well, the dimensions need to be, let's go this time with really easy one. We'll go with 4:7 instead of no options match. Oh, they have the dimensions. Portrait, square, landscape. Portrait. Okay, fine. We'll go with 3. So 1, 2, 3, go. So folks, we have 3 images. We have sent one after the other, 3. Okay, and we have set the Midjourney bot to blend it. What does blend means? Take the elements of all 3, mix all of them. Our aspect ratio is given, which is 2:3, and blend it. Make it something and surprise me. Within a few seconds, the Midjourney bot is going to pop up with the image, and you'll be astonished how good it is or how bad it is. Folks, I've always said with AI, you cannot be 100% sure of what's going to produce. So 60% of the times you need to be skeptical, and the other 40 times you need to be less skeptical. If that made any sense. Okay, let's see. So within a few seconds, our image is going to be ready. So our image is ready. And oh dude, that is, why is that so small? Okay, let's actually send ourselves a DM. Here we go, folks. And folks, you saw that we got a seed ID this time. Maybe we only get a seed ID when we create our own images, whatever. So this is our first image, which looks like a Niji model, an anime kind of a thing. The second one is fine. The third one is fine as well, but the problem is the car didn't appear anywhere. So the lady appeared, the background appeared, actually the car appeared in the first one, and then the car didn't appear at all. So if we take the first one, and if you're like, well, let's create a few samples of the first one. Let's create the version 1. Now when I type in V1, if you remember folks, it'll create 4 versions of this first image. This one would be now in 4 different versions. And then you can keep digging on, like 4 versions of that, 4 versions of that, 4 versions of that. You can keep going on. Okay. And by default, the Midjourney model is fast, which like it's doing it in pretty fast time. So within a few seconds, our image is going to be ready. And once it's going to be ready, you can see how good it looks. So folks, it is pretty much ready, to be frank. And let me see if I can show you this in big images. Yes, I can show you, and I've got the seed ID as well. So this is our first image, which looks pretty ridiculous because it doesn't make any sense. The second one, the face is destroyed, and somehow the car is also changed, like from a Cybertruck they have. And then the third one is the best, folks, because the woman is out of scene. It's like, screw it, it's like the mountains, the road, the car, and all of that, and the object is not even close. The fourth one is also the same, and it's weird that somehow Midjourney thought that I didn't like the women, so just like removed it. No, I did. I didn't like the way you placed her. This could have been really good, but look at, folks, the shadow. It's blurry, I know that, but the detailing is such that even you can see the shadow well. Yeah, it's crazy, folks. Folks, this is how you blend it, and you'll get different versions of it. You keep skimming it. You go with U1, U2, U3, U4, V1, V2, V3, V4. Change a little bit of prompts, change the aspect ratio, change the dimensions, change the parameters, change the chaos. Do whatever you want. The more you play with this tool, the better, folks. Because I can teach you like 3, 4, 5 hours, 6 hours maximum. After that, it is your duty to work with it and see how good it is. Folks, this is not academics or anything, right? I was watching a finance lecture this afternoon because of some reasons from a really big American college. And I'm like, this is the reason why kids don't want to be studying in college, because it's really dumb and boring and plain. So this is not your exam. I'm not going to mark you on this and all of that. Actually, in most of my lectures and courses, I don't even have an exam for you to pass. It's like, it's your thing. You pass it, you complete it, you watch it as many times as possible. Who the hell am I to tell you? My job is to show you the way, and the rest, everything's on you. Folks, that was it from this one. I don't even know why I pressed this one. This is a pretty good prompt. It says, photorealistic image of a book, from a book of Red Storm, Rising of the Soviet tank crews assembling with the T-72 tanks. The scene should take place at night with low snowfall. Pretty good. Pretty detailed. So folks, that was it from this lecture. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. Love you all. See you there.